You're listening to the Hello Well with Danielle show, a podcast taking women of color on a journey exploring all things wellness and travel related. We're all about showing you how to put on your oxygen mask first and creating lasting self-care habits that will free you to travel the world and live the life you truly desire, and not one you have to fake loving. I'm your host, Danielle Washington. Now let's buckle up and start this journey. Welcome to the Hello Well with Danielle podcast, your weekly mental vacation from the daily grind for busy women who are just in a moment to pause, breathe, and woosah. I am your host, Danielle Washington, and today I wanted to guide you through a meditation. It is the last day in August, and it's the full moon. It was a blue moon, which is supposed to not happen again until 2037. And it's really about, during these times, washing away and releasing some things. And so this guided meditation that we're going to go through today is designed to help you wash away any negativity in your life, whether it's negative thoughts, people, situations, cutting away what no longer serves you, cutting away those moments when we felt that we had to play small or we diminished ourselves, and really restoring our inner calmness using the cleansing power of water. So I invite you to find a comfortable position, either lying down on your back with your palms facing up, or a seated position. Whatever it is, take a moment to get comfortable, get situated, get into whatever position you need to, and close your eyes and start focusing in on your breath. And let's take a couple of deep breaths together. So inhaling deeply, 2, 3, 4, hold, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inhale again, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time I want you to inhale deeply, deep, and then suspend the breath and squeeze every muscle in your body. Squeeze your hands, squeeze your face, your toes, your thighs, your stomach. Squeeze everything as hard as you can. And then exhale out of your mouth. And continue breathing, connecting to your breath. And I want you to imagine yourself standing in front of a magnificent waterfall. It's radiating this unique, glowing light. The water shimmers with brilliant beams of light reflecting on it, as if it was filled with diamonds. And as you come closer, you realize this is no ordinary waterfall, but yet this is a light and water of healing energy. It's starting to invite you to come closer, to experience its healing touch. Feel the mist lightly caressing your face, feeling how cool and invigorating it is at the same time. Hearing the sounds of the water, and as you step closer into the water, you're positive that this is no ordinary water. It is filled with ancient healing energy, drawing you into its embrace. With a sense of trust, step beneath the waterfall. Imagine yourself standing before the most magnificent waterfall. It's radiating this unique, beautiful, glowing light. The water shimmers, this brilliant beams of light that feels as if there are diamonds dancing on the surface. And as the water calls you closer, inviting you to experience its healing touch, you can start to feel the mist lightly caressing your face, feeling it both cool and invigorating. hearing the sounds of the water, the birds in the background, realizing this is no ordinary water. It's filled with an ancient healing energy, drawing you into its embrace. And with a sense of trust, step beneath the waterfall. And as this luminous water flows over you, feeling it on top of your head, your shoulders, cascading down your back and in front of your chest. Visualize it interacting with your being. As it touches your skin, it begins to draw out toxins, doubts, stresses, worries, negative beliefs, and any burdens that you're carrying. See these negative energies as darkened streams being washed away from your body, diluting into the water and gently being carried away by its powerful current. Inhaling deeply and exhaling as you can continue to feel the healing powers of this beautiful, magical water. And it's calling you to go further. It's calling you to take a confident breath in, holding it and submerging yourself entirely beneath the waterfall. Enveloped in this radiant embrace, feel the water penetrate even deeper, drawing out and dissolving the subtlest of negativities, connecting with those negative thoughts and beliefs that are so beneath the surface that you may not even realize that they're there. Your entire being is being cleansed, renewed, and filled with this healing light. And as you emerge, you feel noticeably lightness, a sense of release. The burdens you once carried are now part of the river, flowing away in the distance, leaving you rejuvenated. Your skin is glistening with droplets that sparkle, reflecting both the external light and the renewed light that now lies within you. You can feel that radiance coming from within, not just externally. Breathe deeply, letting this newfound energy circulate within all of your cells. This illuminating waterfall has not only cleansed you externally, but it has ignited a profound healing and a protective force within you. Take a moment before you walk out of the water for a moment of silent gratitude, connecting with the water's eternal energy. Recognize that this healing force is intrinsic. It's a part of you. It's a reservoir of strength that you can access at any time. Begin to gently draw your awareness back to your surroundings, feeling the ground, the sense of sounds around you, embracing the rejuvenated spirit that now lies within you. And when you're ready, with a sense of renewal and peace, at your own pace, I invite you to slowly open your eyes and bring this transformative energy into your day as our meditation is complete. At this moment, you can take a moment to just pause and reflect on what came up. It's also a good time to journal, knowing this meditation is here at any time, whenever you need it again. It's a good time to come back during every full moon, or times when you just feel like a heaviness, like this negativity that's kind of weighing you down, and you just need a moment of feeling lightness. I invite you to share this with your friends. And so more stuff will be coming soon. I will be doing some in-person as well as online guided meditations, as well as some Reiki shares and some breathing exercises. So make sure you're following me on Instagram or sending me a message. Hey, can I get on your list to make sure that you know what's going on? Other than that, please enjoy the rest of your week. Be kind to yourself, be loving to yourself, and knowing that everything is happening for your good. Thanks for joining us this week on the Hello Well with Danielle show. Make sure to visit our website, hellowellwithdanielle.com, where you can subscribe to our show on iTunes, Spotify, and Amazon Music and never miss an episode. Also, you can follow us on social media at Hello Well with Danielle on Facebook and Instagram, and Hello Well Danny on Twitter. And if you like hella love the show and got some good nuggets out of it, know that I'm not too proud to ask for you to please leave a rating or review on iTunes so that we can continue to expand our reach and help other women of color. Again, thanks so much for listening, and I hope to see you next week. Ciao.